Okay? You cannot go out to play, you must clean your study table. Here you are given option unless. Unless you clean your study table, you cannot go out to play. Next, look at the third sentence. Riya was on an official trip. Her house was burgled. Okay? Riya was on an official trip. Official trip. When her house was burgled. Fourth, Mr. Sharma was very old. He practiced martial arts daily. Okay? So we have to use the subordinating conjunction given in the options. Unless though. Though Mr. Sharma was very old, Though Mr. Sharma was very old, he practiced martial arts daily. He practiced martial arts daily. Five, the cat is away, the mice will play. Okay? When the cat is away, the mice will play. We were very disappointed, we lost the match. You are given two options, because although. We were very disappointed. 6. Because we lost the match. Now, come to the seventh sentence. Now, children, I am going to rub the blackboard. Okay? And before erasing the blackboard, first have a look here. I am just underlining the conjunction. Though she is already 7 years old, she cannot eat on her own. Though, unless you clean your study table, you cannot go out to play. Unless. Third, Mia was an official trip when her house was burgled. Okay? Now come to the fourth sentence. Though Mr. Sharma was very old, he practiced martial arts daily. Though. Here though is the conjunction. Fifth, when the cat is away, the mice will play. Here, when is the conjunction. Coming to the sixth sentence, we were very disappointed because here because it's the conjunction. Because we lost the match. Okay. Now we'll move to sentence 7. Okay. So I have to erase the first sentence for doing sentence 7. Pay attention. 7. Divya called us, she was ready. When Divya called us, she was ready. This you can write, and you can also write Divya was ready when she called us. Okay? So, look, 7. Divya called us when she was ready. 8. And the last sentence. Hema chopped the onions, I peeled the potatoes. Okay? Hema chopped the onions while I peeled the potatoes. While I peel the potatoes. While I peel the potatoes. Now we'll move to exercise. Now have a look at exercise D. Fill in the blanks with suitable conjunctions. Okay, first. Tanu was happy when she got a new job. When she got a new job. When? Tanu was happy when she got a new job. I respect my boss because she is very professional. Because she is very professional. Third, I took her home and gave her food. Food. 4. Inder was so intelligent, so he won the first position. Inder was so intelligent, so he won the first position. So, he won the first position. Now, come to the fifth sentence. Hurry up, dash, the bus will leave. Hurry up, otherwise the bus will leave. Hurry up, otherwise the bus will leave. Now come to the next sentence. I want to sing and dance. 6. I want to sing and dance. I want to sing and dance. 7. I am unwell. I am unwell, so I won't be able to go to school today. So I won't be able to go. So I won't be able to go to school today. You must attach the draft with the form so it will be considered incomplete. 8. You must attach the draft with the form so it will be considered incomplete. So it will be considered incomplete. Here children, if you want on behalf of so you can write otherwise also. You can write this convention otherwise. This is also suitable for the sentence that I am giving. Otherwise. Now coming to the, so have a look. You must attach the draft with the form, otherwise it will be considered incomplete. Otherwise is more suitable. Okay. Now coming to the last sentence. Have a look at the blackboard, students. I went to your office twice. Dash was not able to meet you. Okay. I went. Sorry, this is second last sentence. Okay. This is second last sentence. I went to your office twice. I went to your office twice, but was not able to meet. But was not able to meet. Now, have a look at the last sentence. They enjoyed watching the movie. They enjoyed watching the movie as it was entertaining. As entertaining. Now students, have a look at exercise E. What is the instruction about exercise E? Circle the conjunction and state whether they are coordinating conjunction or subordinating conjunctions. Okay? First, I carried a bag and a bottle. So what is the conjunction in the sentence? That is and. Okay? So I have circled and. And is the conjunction in the sentence. And of what kind of conjunction it is? Coordinating. Okay? Second sentence. They watched the movie as well as had dinner. Okay? Second, they watched the movie as well as had dinner, as well as circled here, because it is the conjunction in the sentence. And of what type? Correlative. Okay? Now coming to the third sentence, she would have heard the details patiently, but she has to rush for the emergency meeting. Okay? So, what is the conjunction in the third sentence? She would have heard the details patiently, but she has to rush for the emergency meeting. But is the conjunction. And what kind of conjunction it is? Coordinating. 4. The floods were devastating. Therefore, there was a heavy loss of life and property. The flood were devastating. Therefore, there was a heavy loss of life and property. There are two conjunctions in this sentence. Therefore, and. And what kind of conjunctions they are? Coordinating. Both are coordinating. Now coming to the fifth sentence. The school organized a charity show so that they could collect funds for the flood victims. Okay? So what is the conjunction? So. In this sentence, so is the conjunction. And what type of conjunction it is? Coordinating. Okay? 6. The child followed his parents wherever they went. Okay? The child followed his parents wherever they went. Here in this sentence, wherever is the conjunction. So, I am circling. And what kind of conjunction it is? Subordinating. Okay? Now have a look at exercise F. Join the following sentences with coordinating conjunctions given below. Okay, first, she must eat nutritious food, she will become feeble. Okay, she must eat nutritious food or she will become feeble. Or is underlined because it is the conjunction used in the sentence. Okay, and what kind of conjunction? Coordinating. Second, he gave his mother gifts, he gave her a bouquet. Second, he gave his mother not only gifts but also a bouquet. Okay, so not only but also. These are the two coordinating conjunctions in the sentence. Third, not only Amrita but also Mansi did not come for the function. Here, not only and but also. They are the two conjunctions coordinating in the sentence. Fourth, we rushed to the hospital but could not save her. But is the conjunction in the sentence. Okay? What kind of? Coordinating. Fifth, she wanted to pay you a visit. She was tired. She wanted to pay a visit. For she was tired. Here for is the coordinating conjunction. Now coming to the last exercise, look at the following picture and fill in the blanks with suitable conjunction. The parents and the guests waited for the function to begin. And second, the lights were switched off when the program was about to begin. When is the conjunction. Third, parents sit in silence and the children waited back for the music to be played. Third, and. Okay. Fourth one, Children from primary classes would present a simple folk dance, dash the seniors would present a play. But, okay, fifth one. The announcement was made till the dancers had not entered the stage. Till.